Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making mumbo sauce. When I think of my hometown, three things come to mind: corner stores, go-go music, and mumbo sauce. Mumbo sauce can be found in carryouts all over the Washington, D.C. area, and today I'm going to show you how to make authentic mumbo sauce. You will need 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the pineapple juice, white vinegar, and brown sugar. Mix until the sugar has dissolved. Now add the ketchup, then allow the sauce to return to a light simmer. Add the hot sauce and paprika and continue to simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove from the heat and allow the sauce to return to room temperature, then it is ready to serve. Mumbo sauce is best served over fried chicken and French fries. If you find yourself in the DC area, make sure to find a local carryout and give mumbo sauce a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.